Welcome. Are you tired of getting constant invites to like pages on LinkedIn? It can be super annoying, but don't worry, there's a simple fix. In this video, I'm going to show you how to prevent your network from inviting you to pages on LinkedIn using the new update on your PC. It only takes a few clicks. First, let's get started. 1. Go to linkedin.com on your PC. 2. In the top right corner, click the Me icon. It's the one that looks like your profile picture. 3. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your account settings. 4. Next, click on Data Privacy on the left-hand side of the screen. 5. Under Data Privacy, you'll see invitations from your network. Click on that. 6. Here, you can control the types of invitations you receive. You'll see options like Allow your network to send you page invitations, Allow your network to send you event invitations, and Allow your network to send you invitations to subscribe to their newsletters. 7. Simply disable page invitations by toggling the switch to the off position. And that's it. You've successfully stopped people from inviting you to like pages on LinkedIn. By default, LinkedIn Connections can send you invites to follow certain companies and organizations, but you can turn this feature off if you'd rather not receive these invites. Now, you'll only receive invitations from individuals, keeping your invitation section clean and relevant. This helps you stay up to date on the connections that matter most to you. If you change your mind, you can always go back to these settings and turn page invitations back on. Also, you can disable event invitations and newsletter invitations in the same section. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more LinkedIn tips and tricks.